Well, hello, friends. This is Debbie from Blossom Your Creativity. I'm so glad that you've stopped by to share your time with me today. I want to tell you about a special collaboration I am participating in with the ladies of Elegance. That would be Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Courtney from Amethyst Adventure. I am honored that they have asked myself and my mom, Grandma Sandy, to be co-hosting Tablescape Tuesday today. And our theme is Farmhouse Harvest. So come along and see what I put together for my harvest table. Hello, friends. Hello. It's been a while since I've been here for Tablescape Tuesday, and this is my very first time co-hosting. So I'm glad you guys have all joined me today. I'm going to start right here in the middle. This is a cute little basket that I found at the thrift store, and I upscaled it. I put some upscaled it. I updid it. I'm not sure, but I made it over. How about that? I put some Dollar Tree flowers, and I got that cute ribbon. It says give thanks and blessings and all kinds of wonderful things. Gratitude. So everything you think about at this time of year. I know there's some countries that may be watching that don't celebrate Thanksgiving, but you still have this time of the year where it's it's that fall. You start thinking about what you've done over the months, the past months, and what's to come, and so you can just start to think about all the blessings that we have in life. So again, let's go back to this little basket here. So again, these are flowers from the Dollar Tree. I got that gather little plaque off of one of those Dollar Tree wood frames, I guess you'd say. And I just added it to that. And then these cute little, what are these? Like a squash. Got them from Joann's, I believe. So I thought that turned out really cute. And it's on this really rustic little box. So I'm really liking that. And then on either side, I have my farmhouse candles, candle holders. And I have some pretty candles on, giving us this ambiance. And I like this, what do you call this? I don't know. What is this thing called? A runner? No, I don't know. I can't remember what it's called. But I got that from Joann's, I believe. I think it was on one of those 40 or 50% off. But I really like the colors. Let me get in here and show you. They've got pumpkins, pine cones, berries. So there's a lot to look at. And then I have this one. This is a pick. It's acorns. I really like that. It's got this frosted look, but it's like little glass beads all over it. So super cute. So I'm going to go over to this side now, and then I have my Gather Together sign. And I got that at the 99-cent store last year, but I really like the saying, and the picture is so pretty. Isn't that nice? I thought about making it over, but I couldn't bring myself to do it. I just love that picture so much. And here is my Mackenzie Childs teapot. So now we'll come down further. And all right, sorry guys, I had to turn the light on because it seemed like it was super dark. So I got this little set. This is the sugar bowl, and unfortunately didn't have a lid, but I thought, what the heck, I could still use it. But I really like this maple leaf. It's really pretty, and I got it at the thrift store, and this is it's called Golden Autumn, and it's made in Japan. And what the funny part about this is, I got the cups at one time, and then I went back like a month later. It was not even like close to the time. It was like a month later, and I found the creamer and sugar. I thought that was so funny. So And I thought, oh, that looks to be the same. And sure enough, when I brought it home, it was exactly the same. So I lucked out. And then I have my little pumpkin back here that I had displayed in some other posts previously. I just put that cute little ribbon on it. And that came from Target in a set of, I think there was like 7 pieces, 7 different pumpkins in it. All right, so we're gonna come over here, and here is the creamer to that sugar bowl that I just showed you. And here's another pumpkin. What I like about this set is that the pumpkins all look different. Isn't that cute? I love the shape of that, just unusual. And then this, I wanted to put this on the table because I really love this. And I know it might not go, but I don't know. For some reason, I just thought this has to be on my table. So honeybees and flowers, please. I wanted to bring a little bit of happiness, and this kind of makes me happy. So I hope you guys like it. And of course, I have my little plate of goodies. So here is my faux sponge, lemon sponge cakes, and my newest addition is some little pies. Aren't those cute? And those are little pies that my grandmother, she used to make her cheesecakes, and they look just like that. So I had to make some faux cheesecakes just to remember her this time of year, because she used to do so much. We used to spend every Thanksgiving together, and she made some really great food. So I just had to have that on my table. Sorry about that. All right, so let's go down here closer. And I had 2 little pumpkins, and unfortunately one of them decided to have a little leakage problem. So I only ended up with one on my table. So instead of using my pumpkins, my plan was to put them here on my little plates. But because one did not participate in this process, I decided to use the pomegranates. And so they look pretty nice on here. They kind of match with the acorn color there. So I think it turned out good. It was a happy mistake, right? I forgot to mention the runner. It is so pretty. It's like a crushed velvet. It is gorgeous. And I got this for $1.99 at the thrift store. It is so pretty. I wish you guys could see it in person. It's adorable. It is gorgeous. So I just wanted to bring that up because I totally forgot to mention, but look at how pretty that looks. It just elevates the table, don't you think? All right, so now let's come down to the actual place setting. So I have my matching cup. Now the saucer doesn't go with it. They didn't have a saucer at the time I bought the cups, but that saucer looks pretty good with it, so I thought, why not? Now I wanted to show you these. I got these at Ross, and it says give thanks. And it's got a little sunflower on it. Isn't that pretty? And it's a piece of wood round. And I think I got 4 of them for $4.99 or $5.99. So I really like that. So that's my little coaster for my glass. And then I just have some what is this? Oh my goodness. Rose gold. All right, so I have 2 ways I styled these plates with the napkins. So I first did it this way with the napkin ring, and then I put this acorn pick in between. So here you go, you can see it that way. Or I did it this way. So either way, it looks good, but you guys tell me which one you like best. So let's go ahead and take a look at what is underneath this acorn. Super cute, isn't it? All right, so we got my little pumpkin plate. Because it's still fall, there's still lots of pumpkins, and I just couldn't find anything that I really liked. I didn't want like turkeys or anything like that on my plate. So I had these from another post that I had done, but I really, really like it. And I think the colors work really well with it. And so this is my napkin, what I'm using for a napkin. And this is actually dish towel, but I love the colors. You see there's like a shimmery piece going through the middle there. So that's really pretty. All right, so let me stop it. All right, so then underneath that was this really cool looking plate. It looks like wood grain, right? But it's ceramic, and you can feel it's all raised. But I just thought that this is really cool looking, and it says $4.99, but I believe I got it on a clearance sale. I think it was $3.99 or maybe $2.99. I think I got it at well, this doesn't say, but I think it was Tuesday morning. And then I got this charger. I don't remember where I got that. Might have been a Dollar Tree. Let me see. Sometimes I keep the tags on. Oh no, I got it at Hobby Lobby for $1.99. So there you go. Oh, and then I didn't show you my tablecloth, and it's got all these fall leaves in it. Oh, actually, yeah, never mind. So this is one table setting. You know, I like to give you a couple different options. So I'm really liking how this looks, but I want to show you one more option, just to kind of give you an idea of what you could do with some of the same pieces, just changing a couple of things, and it makes it look totally different. So stay tuned. All right, here we are at option number 2, and I replaced that previous centerpiece with this one that I've had this one for quite some time. It's one whole piece, and it's just sits down inside there, and using my Mackenzie Child's utensil holder as a vase, and I just added those little squash to this one. I don't even remember where I got that because I've had it so long. Again, I have my candle holders here. A new addition in the back is this cute little pumpkin that I made over in a DIY video, and that is a pumpkin from Target. So if you want to know how to make that, I will link that video in the description box for you. And then over here I have this cute little pumpkin. It's made out of like plastic weaving, and I believe I got that from Ross. And now if you could see, the table runner is different. It has pumpkins. Let me move one of these. It's got my pretty little blue gray pumpkins, and then that's my little Mackenzie Child's basket there. I thought that would be a cute little addition here in this corner. And I have my clock. I just love that. Got it from the thrift store. I believe it was like $4 or $5, and brought it home and cleaned it up a little bit, and it looks pretty good. My pies are still on the table, and here's a little sign that I made. This actually came from a Dollar Tree can't even talk. Dollar Tree calendar, and on the back it has all these little pictures. So I just attach it to a piece of wood. And then I have another one here that I did the same thing. I attached it, and then I added this cute little bow, and this one is perfect for this table, thankful and blessed. And it's got those pumpkins, so I'm trying to stick with that pumpkin theme, of course. And I've got some more white pumpkins. These ones don't have the bows on them. Stripped them of the bows, and you see the different shapes. Very cute. And still have my sugar and creamer, and I kept my pumpkin but got rid of my pomegranates, and I have the pumpkin resting on the give thanks little coaster there. So now let's go over here and see what kind of table setting I put. So I have this really pretty plate, and this kind of looks like fall colors to me. And then I have this Mackenzie Childs ruffled yellow and white check, and it goes with the parchment design of Mackenzie Childs. And then under that I have just my napkin, a green plate, and then look at this charger. It's got these oak leaves. So I really like this. So now let's look at the other styling. And this one I have, it's the same napkin as the other one, but I changed the print on it. You couldn't see it, but on here it says thankful. Now the only thing I didn't realize when I bought it is when you put a napkin ring, you want the saying to be where you can read it. So I guess I have to go off to the side like this, which I guess that looks okay. Look at my pumpkin ring, pumpkin napkin ring. I got that from, I don't know, some little store when I was on vacation. I saw that and I thought it was so cute. And then I didn't realize when I bought these napkins that said thankful that it was like kind of sideways instead of the traditional way that it's added. But I still like it. I got it for 70% off. That's probably why. And then I have my blue pumpkin plates. So that pumpkin plate really goes nice with that runner, don't you think? So there you go. That's the, oof, man, I need to put some lotion on these hands. That is the second look, and you can have it either way, but I prefer it like this. And I'm liking the runner, but I feel like I think I like number one better. So you guys tell me what you think. But here is my farmhouse, what were we calling that? Farmhouse Harvest. I had to think of what we were calling it. Farmhouse Harvest table. So I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for taking the time to come by and see what I put together. And I hope you have an awesome Tuesday, and hope that if you're here in the United States that you have a blessed Thanksgiving. And remember the things that we have, that we need to be thankful for, and make sure we tell that special person how much they mean to us. Don't pass up that opportunity, because you never know when that person will no longer be around for you to tell them. Okay? So with that being said, I want to say thank you again, and I love all of you guys for coming and supporting me and my mom, Grandma Sandy. So don't forget to go and see her channel, see what she put together, as well as the Ladies of Elegance, which is Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and Courtney from Amethyst Adventures. I want to thank these ladies so much for asking us to co-host Tablescape Tuesday. Means a lot to me that you guys thought about us. So again, thank you so much. And if you're not already subscribing, please consider. I'd love to have you part of my YouTube family. Bye-bye. Until next time, stay safe.